Hey, Taco. No, shush. What are you doing? No, hey, shush. Shush. Be quiet. You crazy dog. You crazy. You crazy. You crazy. Nah, shush. Shushy. Shush. Be quiet. Be quiet. Hey. Oh, come on. See this?
We call ourselves the Knights of Samaria. Ooh, that's exactly what I said. You got
Taco. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. You like being pet? Hey, Taco. Taco. Hi, Taco. Good. Mute that first. Oh my gosh. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Come on, Taco, say hi. Say hi. Oh my god. Ooh, Taco. Ooh, Taco. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Good boy. You're a good doggy. Yeah, no one wants to see this. Ugh. Okay, where are you, Simon? Where are you? Are you in here? Oh, I think you're in here. Hi, Simon. Hi, Simon. Hi, Simon. What you doing, Simon? You like your little toy? Your bush? Your rock? Your waterfall? Dang, this tank needs to be cleaned. Hi, Simon. Okay. That fish worries me. You worry me. That fish scares me. Now where's the beta? Now what's that? Oh, a bug got in the beta's water. Now where's the beta? No, not in there. Huh. Oh! There you are. Oh, goodbye. Alright, I'll leave you alone. Oh, okay. That fish is following me. That fish's scary. Scary fish. Scary fish. See him? See how big that fish is? He's scary. Where's Taco? Where's Taco? 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 There you are! Hi, buddy. Calm down. Oh, calm down. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, yeah. Taco's okay. Stay, Taco. So, guys, this video was just a little preview of my pets. Up there, right up there, there's a patch of dirt. That's where our chicken coop's gonna be. We're gonna get some chickens. And then I'm gonna make a video about them. So guys, that's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Wasn't a gaming video, but hey, I'm not gonna always do gaming videos. Hey, but look how nice this grass looks. Isn't nature beautiful? Wind chimes, or whatever these things are called. Nature. It's beautiful. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.